Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm sharing a quick overview of the program called American Bill Money, ABM, and showing you how you can use envelopes and mailing lists to grow your business with it. A BM is a direct mail opportunity that's been around since 2003. The concept is simple. You join the program, you receive postcards and mailing leads, you send them out, and when someone signs up using your unique ID, you earn a commission. Now here are the two big keys to success: the envelope and the mailing list. First, the envelope. Using a plain standard envelope might mean your mail ends up unopened or ignored. But a well-designed envelope stands out in the mailbox. It creates intrigue and increases the chance the recipient opens your mail. Second, and most important, the mailing list. A BM provides leads to send to, but you can also purchase buyers lists or prime names, responsive people who have shown interest in business opportunities. These lists are fresher and can give you higher success. If you want to learn more about how to pick a great list and design your envelope to convert, check out the link in my channel links and look for the American Bill Money section. Thanks for watching. Let's mail smarter and grow your business.